Merry Christmas. Poor guy coming at you. We're going to do an appetizer. Kind of like for, you know, you might have some people over, some family over to do like a holiday meal. Here's a quick little appetizer. You could do it. All right, I don't know if everybody can get these, but these are just Eckrich brand. This is beef smoked sausage, and this is cheddar smoked sausage, both skinless. We're just gonna cut these up, make them into little medallions, nothing fancy, and I'm gonna throw them on the Blackstone. Now you can do this on the stovetop if you want, but I'm thinking, okay, say you got people coming over, family, friends for a little holiday celebration. And you got one person in on the stove or the oven, you got a lot going on. The other one can go out and, you know, put these on the Blackstone. And so the whole idea behind this is something quick that the majority of folks will eat. You know, obviously if you have a family member that's a vegan or a vegetarian, you know, this isn't gonna fly. But for most folks that, you know, are willing to eat meat, real quick, real easy. These are all pre-cooked already. And we'll put them on a platter and show you what we're looking at. But we're just going to do some little slices. I've seen people do it, you know, where they cut them at an angle. And I don't know about all that. This is poor guy. Anyone that comes to our house, if anybody would, aren't going to be the fanciest people in the world. So this is how we do it. We slice these up. I forgot which was which. This is cheddar. I can see the little cheddar pieces in there. There we go. Like I said, pre-cooked. So you're just warming them up. Kind of like, oh, the doggy almost got a treat there. What do you think of this apron? Pretty sweet, huh?
Fabulous.
It's not mine. It's hers. She was nice enough to let me wear it. She wears it all the time during the Christmas season. Honey, do you like Christmas?
I love Christmas so much.
We're using the all beef smoked sausage, this one here. It doesn't have any flavor or anything going on in it other than smoked sausage flavor. We seem to do better when we can buy things that are all beef, you know, these processed sausages and hot dogs and whatnot. That's what we got. I'm really just going to take them out to Blackstone and come out and watch me for a little bit. We're just going to get them, you know, cooked up, a little warmed up, a little charred, and presented on a nice little platter with some dipping sauces that your guests might really enjoy. Very easy, very inexpensive. Walmart, I think they were like $3.60 a piece for all this. And then we got some cheese and some dipping sauces. So really all together, you're going to spend $6, $10, $11, $12, and I'm sure everybody's got mustard and barbecue sauce already at home. You know, it's going to cost you $12 for a nice little appetizer for a bunch of people. I mean, it's a good amount here. So maybe outside. I got the Blackstone warming up. Peace. All right, here we are. Blackstone's warmed up. Going on 3 years with this Blackstone, by the way. Here's the regular smoked sausage. And here's the cheddar. Going on 3 years with this Blackstone. I got it for Christmas 3 years ago. I'll tell you what, I haven't had a single problem. Stay right there, honey. Let me get something. Move these around a little bit. I haven't had a single problem with it, other than this. Take a look. Oh, hello. My little igniter, I have to get that replaced. Basically, there was a little plastic nut that held everything into place, and it started sticking a little bit, but that's really not that big a deal. I just have to find one and install it. So for right now, I'm just going ahead and starting it all up, sticking a lighter in there and starting it. It's no big deal. But that's literally the only thing. I've never re-seasoned it. I've never stripped it. I've never done anything to it. And it's a fantastic cooker, griddle, whatever you want to call it.
As long as you take care of it and do your maintenance.
Yeah. So every time I'm done using it, we'll go inside and eat. No matter what it is, I'll come out and I have my whole little process of, I got a scraper, get all the food particles off it, turn it on, put hot water on it and paper towels and wipe it down. And do that until the paper towels come out relatively clean. And then once it cools down fully, I'll go ahead, and if I know I'm not going to use it for a week or even a few days, I'll put a thin coating of oil, any kind of oil, vegetable oil, peanut oil, whatever you want, whatever you got, canola oil. Just put a thin coating over it and cover it up. Definitely cover it up. Keep it out of the elements. But man, what a blessing it was to get this a few years ago. So all we're gonna do is, like I said, we're just gonna get these warmed up, get a little bit of color on them, and might have it a little high. It was cold out, so I had it going. Just keep them moving around so they don't get too crispy on one side and not the other. So when these get all done, I'm not gonna have you folks stand out here and watch me move little sausages around in the Blackstone, but we'll go ahead and plate these up. We'll get it all presented for a nice little photo shoot and then to the video. And I'll tell you what, $12 nowadays. Man, we went grocery shopping this morning just for a few odds and ends. It's so expensive. So expensive. And that's what poor guy in the Blackstone is kind of all about. You know, cooking for real folks that don't have a lot of money, maybe don't have a lot of skill like me. And you can make some pretty good food for less than you might think, especially nowadays. I looked at a bag of frozen chicken wings at Walmart. 8-pound bag of chicken wings. Almost $33.
It's ridiculous.
$33. So that's what we're faced with nowadays more than ever. You don't have to talk about inflation too much to know things aren't going real well with the economy. So, all right, enough rambling. When you come back, we'll be in the house and we'll have these presented as best we can for a cool, well, for us it's going to be lunch, but a nice little holiday snack appetizer for all your guests and family folk. Peace. All right, there it is, everybody. That's kind of festive, is it not? So the cheese, we actually got that at Walmart. All right, so we were gonna get little things of it, little bricks of it, and they were $2 for 8 ounces. And then we came across these. These are $1.98 for 2 ounces that are already cut up. So, and then we just got here, we just had some mustard and some Head Country original barbecue sauce, both made in Oklahoma. And so it's kind of festive, and it literally took like 15 minutes at the most. And go ahead and get a little toothpick and a little piece of cheese and a sausage. And I'm going to dip mine in mustard. Let's give it a try. Wow, that's really good.
Is it good?
Yeah. Yeah. That is very good. This is Monterey Jack. This is cheddar. So we can actually put an olive. Whoa, poor guy, what are you doing? And a regular smoked sausage. Look at that.
That's cute.
Put it on a cracker. Look at it. Possibilities are endless. Let's try the regular beef smoked sausage with the cheese.
That's quite a mouthful, honey.
Sweetheart, this is gonna be good.
That'd be fun for Christmas appetizers.
Christmas appetizers. Wash it down with olive. Like I said, $13 at the most. That's not bad nowadays. Quick and easy and fun and good. Any kind of sausage you want. Any kind of cheese you want.
Any kind of sauce.
Yeah, any kind of sauce, whatever you want to do. It's just an idea. That's what we do, ideas. All right, hey, look at me.
Okay.
Poor guy's Blackstone.
Okay.
We're the only ones here right now. I don't know what the other two are doing, but they're missing out. Merry Christmas, kitties.
Merry Christmas, kitties.
Peace.